Hi guys, thanks for joining me again today. This is Stephen with iFound Agent. Wanted to do a quick run through of our email template system with our new plugin in CRM. So as you can see on my screen, I just logged into my website. I'm at the dashboard. So to get to the email template area, we go under iFound CRM and then email templates. So email templates in our system, they're more or less like blocks of content that can help you in a lot of different areas. We actually have 4 different types of email templates you can choose from. And I'm going to go ahead and, if I just click on email templates, you can see all the different email templates that my site has. A lot of these were just loaded in with some of the other content that came with the site. There's 4 different types of um, email templates, and you can see them pretty clearly just by looking through this list. You can identify them for the purposes of just making this easier. I'm going to open one up. So I'm going to look at this birthday. So I guess more or less, if you want to edit any of the campaigns that you have in the system, this is your website, this is your system. You're welcome to edit any of these templates on your site. So if you don't like the birthday campaign, open it up and edit it. So if I can click on it, so if I open up this email template, I got some different options. I said that we have 4 different types. They're right over here on the right hand side. Email template type. I have content, footer, header, and signature. So content is more or less just like a regular email. This is just a regular email template. 9/10 of your templates are going to just be content templates. Okay. The content templates, um, you really want to make sure you have an email subject loaded in here. So the email subject will go here, and then the body of the email is down here. Then a footer type of template is just, it's more or less like disclosure language, or if you have extra links that you want to provide at the end of your message. I believe the default footer just has like an unsubscribe link to keep you compliant with local regulations and keep you out of spam filters. It always helps to have that. Um, so you can have different footer templates if you want to change it up. Header templates, same thing as a footer. Basically, just before any of the content comes in, do you need to have content come in at the very beginning of every message? Some people may want to have special branding, like a banner image before their message comes in. Just to each their own, right? But you have the option of making a header image. Signature, same thing. We have the ability to maintain any number of signatures or any number of email templates in this system. An email signature would just be like, signing off as thank you, Stephen, whatever your name is. If you have something specially designed like an image, you can upload it and you can put it in here. If you, um, yeah, so you can put the images in here, or even if you have other team members using this site as a shared resource, everybody on the team can have their own signature. So we'll cover that here in just a minute. All right, so back to the ranch here, I'm just going to go and cover, here I opened up my birthday template, and now I'm editing this email template. So I can change the title of it. I don't want it to be called birthday anymore. I can call it birthday campaign. I don't really know. I think birthday is pretty adequate, right? But I could change the title of it so that way I know which one it is. Email subject, you're going to notice these what's called merge tags. It's got some curly brackets and it says some sort of code in here like contact first name. So usually it's pretty self-explanatory as to what these mean if they're already present in your system. You do have the ability to add them anywhere throughout your templates, so that's pretty cool as well. So email subject is contact first name. So for, let's just say Bill, right? Bill, happy birthday from agent name. Well, in your settings on your site, you have a field called agent name, and it's already set to you, or should already be set to you. If there's not, let us know if there's a problem. But um, happy birthday from agent name. So from Steven, right? If this was my site, it would say from Steven. Um, if you want to add more merge tags anywhere, you can choose this little button, and it'll throw in a merge tag into the body of the of your content. You can copy this and put it up here in the subject line if you want to. We have all kinds of different ones. First name, last name, spouse first name and last name, their email address, home phone, work phone, mobile. Alert link is specific to if you're sending a search. So that so if you're making like an email template all around setting up a search for somebody, that's the link you use for the search. Agent name, broker name, these are all pretty self-explanatory. This unsubscribe one is like a link to unsubscribe from your your emails, and year just gives the current year. A lot of different merge tags, and I think we're going to have more coming. But anyway, so down here to the body of the message, you can change it up. Contact first name. It's that time again. Another year older, another year wiser. Have a great day. That's a very generic email, right? Let's say I wanted to add an image of like something birthday related. This is really kind of not planned. I probably should have had this done before. I'm going to go to a website called Pixabay, which is a website known for images that are free to use for marketing or any other purposes. Let me just take a quick peek to see if I see any good images I can just grab. I like this one. So let me just download this image real quick. I just need a small one. I don't need anything huge. Alright, so let's say I wanted to add an image into my template. I could actually go in here and hit Add Media. And I can choose an image from my library. Oh, look, there's already like a holiday looking one. I can actually just go and, so if I already have an image I want to use, I can just click it and use it. Otherwise, I can also upload. So here's my birthday image I just downloaded. Beautiful. There it is. I want it. I don't want this one. I want this one. And then I do have some options here, and I will say, just make sure you don't have anything in the caption field. That won't come through on the email very well. If I want to align it to the left, push it to the left, or anything, I can. I can choose what size it is. I didn't really get a big image to begin with, so maybe just a medium-sized image is good. And link to, no, I don't want it to link to anything, and then I'll just hit insert to post. So there it is. There's my new email template, and I can just hit update. And I can use this moving forward. So coming back to the email templates, if you want to add if you don't want to edit one, if you want to just add one brand new, you would just go to the email template area and hit add new up here. So the important thing is you want to make sure you have a title. If this is a normal email template, you want a subject. That's going to be really important to you. You type in whatever you want your message to be down here. And if you want a merge tag as to have their name in there, you use this feature right here. So if I want my message to say hello, Stephen or Bill, whatever their name is, I can use that merge tag. It is the year 2017. I'm just actually giving you kind of a bad example of how to write something up, but using a merge tag nonetheless. So you can use different merge tags for whatever you'd like. Can you verify your contact info with me? And maybe I'll just do like name, last name, mobile, email. Well, email is going to be obvious. So you could do something like that, right? And you can use merge tags to fill this stuff in. So first name, put it right here, and just do last name and mobile right there. So I could do something like that. Verify using. I guess that's maybe a little better way of using merge tags in a real life scenario. And then the most important thing here is please don't forget to pick your email template type. So if you want to be able to use this as a regular email, then click Content. Verify contact info. So I can put for my subject, whatever their name is. Would you please verify your contact information for me? So that's my new email template. So once I have this ready to go, publish just means that it'll be ready, it'll save and be ready to use, and that's the button you click when you're all done. So that's how you edit and work with email templates. The last thing you may have seen in other areas, but these email templates mostly come into play within the campaign builder. And I have another video going through the whole campaign builder, but just as a quick reminder, when you're building your campaign, there's a branding section where you use different header templates or signature templates or footer templates, and these are quick lookups to see, hey, how many, give me all of the templates that are marked as a header email template, a signature email template, or a footer email template. And then the last one down here, the campaign template, this is the email body. So if I use my birthday one, you're going to see, bam, there's my message. Or if I switch it over to verify contact info, there it is. So, all right. Well, anyway, that's how this system works, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.